Kalarambh brings you a decorative door knocker. The dimensions of the product are 4.5 by 0.5 by 4.5 inches. The weight of the product is 345 grams. Ideal to put at home and office. Made from golden brass, this idol is made with very detailed carving work. This product is not just elegant, but it is also sturdy, chip resistant, anti-corrosion, and tarnish resistant. With every purchase of our products, you support local handicraft artists. Kalarambh by Bharat Haat. Experience the collection of Indian handicrafts, Sayajiganj, Vadodara.